Peace, it's me, Triple G, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Let's just bask right now. Let's just bask in the fact that I am, what was that face? I am bringing you guys a makeup video today. I know, like, what is this? It's been so long. I really want to get back to being consistent with the makeup side of the channel. It's literally 3 of the G's in Triple G Goddess. We cannot, Glam and Gore. We can't. I mean, yeah, Glam and Gore. We cannot neglect it. Literally like half the reason why I started the YouTube channel. But today I wanted to bring you guys a makeup look that'll be great for the holidays. It'll be great for any event that you have, really. I really find it very beautiful and simple and not too hard, but like glam at the same time. Like, I feel like it would be a great first glam look for somebody that's starting off into doing more full makeup. That's what I'm trying to say. But I got the inspiration from this look from Twitter. I will have her tagged down below, a fellow makeup artist that I've recently met. Y'all should go check her out. She's very talented and very nice. And yeah. Like I said, this will be a glam look. Special effects will be coming soon. But until then, let's get right into the video. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And share. You never know who will be interested. I know I have a big gaming audience right now. I hope you guys still watch your girl. Like I said, 2 of the G's in Triple G Goddess. So I hope you I hope you guys enjoy. Let's for real get into the video now. Okay. Alrighty, I went ahead and put my eyebrows on and I put some concealer on top of my lid. Let's get right into it, guys. I have a picture up on my phone and I will have the picture up in one of the corners so that y'all will be able to see it throughout the creation. And first we're gonna start off with putting like a base eyeshadow on our eyelid. On hers, she has like a base shadow that like matches her skin tone. So we're gonna try to find something similar to match my skin tone. We're gonna peel open. We're gonna be using, let me show you guys. We're gonna be using these 2 palettes the most. They're both by Juvia's Place. This one is the Warrior 2 palette and this one is the original Warrior palette. We're all the earthy tones. And we got a couple of other palettes over here just in case we need it. All right. I feel like a good one will be to dip into what's it called? Yodit. I hope I pronounced that right. It's this one right here. So we're gonna use a nice fluffy brush. You want something fluffy to help glide across your eyelid. This is just a base. This isn't like this color is great to help you to be able to blend the other colors that we'll be putting on later. And also, it's just nice to have that smooth base. This one is a tiny bit lighter than my skin tone, but I feel that it would be a great base color. Now that we have our base shadow on, we're gonna go straight into the black. We're gonna go in lightly and work our way up. You always, when creating some type of any kind of smoky eye, you want to start off with the darker color closer into your lid, and then you want to blend outward. You don't want to do it the other way around. That'll be harder and the blend won't be as good. So we're gonna dip a little bit into the black. It's called Shawata and it's the darkest black at the bottom. So we're gonna, how she has it in the inner corner and then throughout the crease. So we're gonna start in the inner corner. I also have a different brush. This one's a more narrow, a more narrow fluffy brush. I just want to like stipple in the areas that I want, and then we'll go into like the more major blend and precision in a second. We want to keep the shape of our eye. And we're gonna bring it out towards the middle of the eye like so. I'll have this zoomed in for you guys so you guys can see. And then once you have enough in your inner corner, we're gonna sweep the crease outward with the same color. Now that you have, well, I guess us, now that we have our black in our crease and on our inner corner of our eye, we're gonna dip into this lighter black, more of like a charcoal, almost gray type color. This is in the color Walzana. I really hope I'm pronouncing these right, guys. We're gonna dip into her. And what we're gonna do with this color, we're gonna lightly go above where our original black is, and we're gonna blend. Make it a little softer. Give us a more smoke effect, if you will. And we're gonna do it with a very light hand, guys. That's also how we get that nice blended look. And now we're gonna go in with the color Kafuru. And it's this nice brown, darker chocolate, almost chocolate brown color. And I wanna soften those dark edges even more so to have a more nice gradient effect. I have a different eyeshadow brush. This eyeshadow brush goes more into a point. Let me sit this down so you guys can see. It has more of a point, but still like soft at the same time. So now we're gonna blend those edges. Very light hand, even lighter than before. And now we're gonna go in with that beautiful bronze color that she has on. We're gonna put it right after where the black ends. I have this color, we're in the original Warrior palette now. This is in the color Amina. We're gonna go in with this color right here. And, sorry. And this color mixed together. We're gonna mix these two together. The one at the bottom is called Benin. So we're just gonna mix these two together. And we're gonna just tap it in. You could also use your finger for this part, depending on how pigmented you want it. And then we're gonna blend it out with one of our eyeshadow brushes. Alright, I caught us up with the other eye, so we're at the same spot. And next, she did not do this specifically, but I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer right under the eye, under the arch of our eyebrow. I'm gonna go in with the color Moremi. It's the one in the middle, the lightest one right here in the original Warriors palette. We're gonna go in with our flat brush, the same brush we used to put our bronze color in the middle. Make sure you clean it off because we don't want any mixture of colors. It would be cute, but if we want to go with this specific same look, make sure you do that. So we're only gonna tap it in on the edge like this because we want a very thin line. Well, I want a very thin line. We're gonna put it just right under the arch, just to give a little pop right there. I just love that look with that little bit of shine right under the arch. That's my favorite. One of my favorite parts about makeup is the eyebrows. So having it pop a little is always great. All right, now we're gonna be getting into some glitter. The glitter that she has in her half crease. We're gonna be going in with this e.l.f. glitter in the color, I ain't got my glasses on, bear with me, y'all. Disco Queen, and it looks like this. And we're gonna use this little pencil brush to create the shape that we want. We're gonna start with the inner corner and work our way up. We're gonna she has hers going above the black, so we're gonna keep that curved shape keeping above the black. And take your time. Now that our glitter is done, it is looking cute, it's looking nice, it's looking real similar to the original. We're gonna go in with eyeliner, and this is in the brand Sava Beauty. This is a water-based eyeliner. Love it, especially if you're not a sweater, crier, and anything to do with liquid. If you're doing anything with liquid, don't wear this. But it is a great eyeliner, and I love how matte it looks, and it lasts long too. And she doesn't have a very dramatic eyeliner on. We just want that nice, sharp, simple shape. So we're gonna start off with the lid and work our way to the wing. She also has it pretty thin as well, so we want to keep it on the thinner side. Which I struggle with, and it's okay. We all have our struggles, our weaknesses, and our strengths. It's all right. We work on it. And boy, have I worked on it. It's been a journey with eyeliner, let me tell y'all. All right, we have started to create our wing, and we're gonna stop right about right here. And then we're gonna connect downward. I have a slight hood in my eye, so I always a little overcompensate for the shape of my eyelid. All depends on the shape of your eyelid. Alright, and now that we are done with our eyeliner, we're going to move down to the lower part of our eye. We're going to go in with a black eyeliner. It's by Juvia's Place. Like, if you couldn't tell, my favorite brand, one of my favorite makeup brands. Love them, sponsor me. But in her picture, she has black eyeliner going from the inner corner to about the middle, and then the rest of the way is the same glitter that we have in our half cut crease type situation. So we're gonna go in with our black first and then the glitter. She seems to have it really mostly only in her waterline. If putting eyeliner or anything in your waterline intimidates you, you can use a little bit of eyeshadow and keep it real thin, as close as you can get it. It took me a while to be able to do waterline, y'all. When I was years ago when I first started, So just take your time and don't tug under your eye a lot. I see a lot of people just like dragging their eye down. That's not good for your eye. Your skin is very sensitive under there, so please take care of it and please be gentle with it. Just do a slight tug, or even you could like look down. Tilt your head down and then look upward, and then that should be enough as well. But if you need that little extra, just very slight, or you can use like a little sponge or something, and that helps like not make it as much pressure under there. So yeah. All right, and once you have your black liner on your waterline, I did end up dragging it down a tiny bit further right here with the eyeliner, and then I took a brush just like this, something small, a smudge brush, and I smoked out the eyeliner just a little bit. I don't want it like an extreme smoky, I just wanted a little bit of softness to it. So I wanted to show you guys with this side. After I put the liner, I just did this little motion right here. All right, and once we're looking identical, we're gonna go back in with the same glitter as earlier, and we're gonna finish off our liner. We're gonna go right where the black ends, not on the waterline. We're gonna go right underneath the waterline and bring it all the way across the bottom of your lid, or your bottom lash line. All right, guys, and now that the look is pretty much 100% done, we got our eyeliner on, we got our glitter going. All we need is lashes. I already put mascara on. I used my fave Lash Paradise. You know. Also love Better Than the Two. Actually, don't know if I'm allowed to say it on YouTube. It will be bleeped. But y'all know what mascara I'm talking about. But now, like I said, lashes. Today, we are using the Juvia's Place lashes. Sponsor me. It's maximum volume in Cleopatra. This is what the box looks like. Yeah. And now I'm gonna apply some duo glue. And let's get the show on the road. All right, guys, I got my lashes on. Everything is coming together. You will not understand the rigmarole I just had to go through. Fellow makeup artists out there, don't you just love when you're almost done with your eye makeup and something decides to get in your eye? You can't rub it. So I was forced to cry it out, and it came out. But a lot of rigmaroling and a lot of touching upping, and we're here. But it's still looking great. I'm loving how it has came out so far. But yes, we're gonna move on to literally everything else, foundation, everything. And I'll be right back with you because the highlight of this video was the eyeshadow look. So I'll be right back with the finished product. And alright guys, this is our final look. What are we thinking? I'm gonna make the picture bigger. I don't know which side yet. It's gonna be bigger so we can have a great comparison. I love how this turned out. Minus the struggle earlier I was telling you about. I love how this came out. I want to tell you a few things about the base that I did and a little bit of extra stuff. The lips is a mixture of a random dark brown lipstick that I got from a beauty supply store. I used that as lip liner. And then I used NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline in the middle of my lips. And then on the top of that, I used MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo to give a little bit of more of like a red tint. You know, I love a more red in the holidays. I was gonna go more nude so it'd be more similar to the original creator's look, but I just and it pulls from like the blush that I have on. Yeah, got the hair going. You know how we do. And yeah. I want to show y'all well, first let's do a close-up with this lighting from my mirror. Oh, the close-up should be the eye look. That's what the video's about. Hold on. I hope y'all don't see any of the struggle I went through, bro. Just, if so, I'm gonna zoom into this eye. But yes, and now I'm gonna show you without this lighting. Let's get this out of the way, shall we? You know, something slight. No, I'm just playing. I really loved how this look came out, and I loved it as much as I loved when I saw it on Twitter. And thank you so much to the creator that allowed me to recreate your look. Like I said, she is linked in the description below. Check her out. She also streams on Twitch. So, you know, go ahead and make sure y'all give her some love. And thank you guys so much for watching. And more gaming coming soon, more makeup coming soon. I got a great idea for a special effects makeup look because you got the G's. We got to keep all the G's in triple G. All right, let's do one more close up before we close out. Also, thumbnail. Why not? Alrighty guys, I think that is all. It feels so great to get back into makeup again. And once again, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.